Arxiv is a free distribution service and an open-access archive for around 2 million scholarly articles. There are a few ways to download the data in bulk. The easiest way is to download them from Amazon S3. One thing to notice is that the bulk files in Amazon S3 are in Requester Pays buckets. The downloader must register an AWS account, set up payment method before starting to download from the bucket. The estimated cost to download the whole dataset is around $500 if downloading from United States. In a Linux command line, you can use AWS S3 CLI to download the whole bucket. First, set up the AWS key which have permission to download files from S3. Next, start downloading using AWS S3 Sync. Note that you need to specify request or pay here. Once downloaded, there will be src folder for all source files and PDF folder for all PDFs. Both contains a list of tar archives for each month. Let's extract all of them. You see that all files uses some ID for the name and is hard to interpret, so we need to rename them to readable names. To do that, we use a script to pull the metadata and use that to rename the files from unreadable IDs to the actual article name. Finally, we will use a script to combine extracted files into tar archives. The script will make sure each archive is less than 32 GB and will also generate list of files contained in each archives to build index later. To retrieve the data from the network, you can use our web UI or the Slingshot website. Here I'm showing you the web UI that our team has built. In the UI, you can search for the miner, deal or file names. You can also search for article names. For example, you can search for Filecoin. You can then click the download button and you'll see the command to download the file using Lotus. Here I'm going to copy the command and run it in a command line. In a Linux command line, run the command that I just copied to download the file to the local file system. After download completes, we can check whether the file contains the content related to Filecoin. We can extract the specific content we want which is related to Filecoin. This is the source file used to generate the PDF file. We can extract and view the content.